Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vagisha Mishra. I review and decode beauty pageants at my channel. So if you're watching me for the first time and you don't want to miss out on any pageant story, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever a video goes live at my channel. So as we all know that Miss Grand International pageant is about to begin shortly, and we shall be having the grand finale of Miss Grand International 2020 on 27th of March. Although very few countries are participating in this competition, but I believe the excitement is totally sealing all the lips, and we are just very excited because this is the very first pageant which is happening after a while. So this is the very first pageant of the year and I cannot be more excited, and I know that you must be excited as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video and know who are my favorites to win Miss Grand International 2020. I shall be disclosing my top 10 favorites, but before I proceed to discuss my top 10 favorites, I want to talk about some of the ladies whom I think are very promising. So instead of making it a top 15 list, I am making a top 10 exclusive review, and as soon as the candidates start arriving in Thailand, I shall be making a post-arrival leaderboard wherein I shall be talking about all the candidates in detail. So I think in top 15, I must have Spain, Germany, Wales, Netherlands and Italy. These are few of the ladies whom I want to have a closer look at, and I want to know how they are as person and how they speak. So I had a chance to go through their introduction videos, their social media handles, and also the kind of pictures and videos they have been posting on their social media handles. I still feel that I need to have a closer look on them, so I'm not going to talk about them right now, but let's go into the top 10 of the hot picks today and let's know who are my favorites. So let's begin. So at number 10, I have Denisa Perger from Czech Republic. Now when I went through her social media handle, I must say that I was super impressed by her pretty face. She has done so many photo shoots and it seems that she is so much ready and well prepared for the competition. Her social media presence is amazing and she has a great flawless body which shall benefit her in the swimsuit competition. So I feel that Denisa Perger is somebody who has an amazing personality to shine at Miss Grand International 2020. Now at number 9, I have Guzel Messina from Russia. Now Russian beauties are so beautiful that we don't need words to describe their beauty. The same is the case with Miss Russia, who is representing at Miss Grand International. I had an opportunity to go through some of her live sessions and I found her personality to be super engaging. She has a very calm and soothing aura in her, and when I look at her, I feel that she is somebody who can make her presence felt despite of trying not much hard. So she is somebody who has my attention, and she is someone who has a beautiful finely carved facial structure, and she will do great in my opinion. Now at number 8, I have Marcielo Gamara from Peru. Now when I went through her introduction video for Miss Grand International pageant, I was super impressed by her energy. I mean, what a beautiful vibe she has in her. When she talks, it looks so engaging and I feel so motivated and charged up when I feel that she is just speaking out her heart. So she is a beautiful lady and she has done a lot of philanthropic causes as well. Overall, she has a very appealing and charming personality, and I feel that she can slay at a pageant like Miss Grand International. So my eyes on her. At number 7, I have Aura Karishma from Indonesia. Now the moment when she was crowned as Miss Grand Indonesia, we all had been talking so much about her because of the kind of performance she brings on the stage. Apart from her very spectacular personality and amazing social media presence, I must say that she has something special in her. So I feel that if given a proper platform, she will showcase all the capabilities she has, and given that Indonesia has already won one Miss Grand International crown in past, it looks like the team is very much prepared and ready, and they will give their best so as to make sure that Indonesia wins another Miss Grand International crown very soon. So I feel that Indonesia should not be taken casually at all, and she is somebody who can give a very good competition at Miss Grand International. Now at number 6, I have Natalia Manrique from Colombia. Now it is no surprise that Colombian people have done so well at beauty pageants, and especially at the pageant like Miss Grand International, where fierce aura and amazing vibe is appreciated. Somebody like Natalia will do so well at the competition. When we look at her overall stature, it looks like she's super prepared for the competition. She's well in shape, she has done a lot of shoots, and she has a very fun and energizing kind of personality, which will take her ahead in the competition. So Colombia can definitely give us a surprise. Now at number 4, I have Chentara Padit from Thailand itself. So Thailand is the host country for Miss Grand International pageant, and they have never won Miss Grand International title in history, despite of being the origin of that particular pageant. But this time I feel that Thailand is coming very close to win its first ever Miss Grand International crown because of the kind of amazing lady they are sending at Miss Grand International pageant. She is so beautiful, she has a bold personality, a very appealing and demanding voice, and overall when I hear her speaking, I am completely impressed and convinced that she is somebody who breaks all the shackles. She is somebody who is very different from the kind of queens we have seen under Miss Grand International pageant, and if Miss Grand International is to experiment, Thailand will be a great choice. She's sassy and she speaks boldly, fearlessly, and she's just unapologetically herself. So I won't mind if Thailand goes on to win its first Miss Grand International title. At number 4, I have Alice Clementina Godes from Brazil. Now when I look at her beautiful face, there is so much of depth in her eyes. She has such a magical personality and such a charming face that she screams all attention. Apart from having a stunning personality, this beautiful lady is also 4th year medical student. She has done so many philanthropic projects in her country, and she has been a part of many international modeling campaigns, which shows that she is such a versatile lady which any pageant looks forward to. So all in all, she has everything which needs to be there in any beauty pageant aspirant, and she is going to give her best, I'm sure about it. She speaks very well and her words really inspire. So all in all, I see Brazil entering the top 5 of Miss Grand International in the pre-arrival leaderboard. Now at number 3, I have Mariana Jessica Varela from Argentina. Now Miss Argentina had an exposure of the biggest pageant in the world, or the universe rather, because she was a former Miss Universe Argentina, and when we look at her, she is so much prepared for the competition. Her walk, her body, her speech and her overall personality is so engaging that you cannot ignore her. Now given the competition is very tough and the batch is super strong, I still feel that Argentina can give a very good fight at Miss Grand International pageant. She fits in the mold of Miss Grand International so much because she has a spectacular stage presence, a beautiful walk, and overall she looks great both in pictures and in motion. So I feel that being a Latina who are always favored at Miss Grand International pageant, it will not come as a surprise if Argentina goes on to win Miss Grand International title. Now at number 2, I have Fabiola Gonzalez from Puerto Rico. Now if I were to name my one sentimental favorite who can actually win Miss Grand International pageant without a doubt, I will definitely pick up Puerto Rico because she is so beautiful, not only facially but her overall personality is so impressive that I cannot take my eyes off her. She is a journalist by profession and she has also done many modeling assignments, and when I look at her, I actually feel that she is somebody who has a lot of confidence in her personality. When she talks like she beholds magic in her eyes, and she has that enigmatic kind of aura in her overall charm and personality. She's facially stunning and I love the confidence in her voice. She already looks like a winner because she's so polished and so poised when it comes to her styling and her overall composure. So definitely I feel that after the arrivals, she is going to give us some major goals, and I feel that Puerto Rico can definitely win its second Miss Grand International title with Fabiola. Now ruling at number 1 right now is none other than Samantha Bernardo from Philippines. Now she is one of the early birds to be reaching Miss Grand International venue, and given the kind of preparation she has been receiving by her national pageant organizers, it is evident to say that she can give her best when it comes to overall personality, her walk, photo shoots. She's amazing, and she is actually somebody who cannot be ignored. Given the kind of pageant crazy nation Philippines is, I feel that after being criticized by many people from the Asian countries, Miss Grand International Pageant would like to shift its attention from the Latin American countries to Asian countries once again, and why not give Philippines another crown, because she deserves it rightfully. She has the kind of facial features which are definitely preferred in a pageant like Miss Grand International, and overall when we look at her walk, she is completely flawless. So all in all, she screams like a winner material right now. So my number one choice for Miss Grand International 2020 is Samantha Bernardo from the Philippines. So that's all for this video. These are my favorites for Miss Grand International 2020. And as soon as the candidates start arriving in Thailand, going for several events and activities, I will be coming up with some more leaderboards and some more reviews. So leave down your favorites in the comment section below, and I'll be very happy to go through it. And I will meet you guys soon with new videos. Until next time.